Hey, welcome to NaturallyACT. I am super excited to finally get on camera and record some more content. So today, for the very first time, I am going to be trying out Bawse Face by the Lip Bar. I haven't tried this before, so I hope I do everything correctly. It included this Bawse Face foundation. Hopefully you can see that. 503 is the color that I was told to get by my makeup artist, Miss Paige Wright of Radiant Enrichment. So the way this works is the foundation is in here. You're supposed to pump, I think, 2 or 3 times and then apply it to your face. So I will be doing that shortly. It also included, 2-in-1 brow gel and pencil. So this is cool. I'll be trying that out. And then this is strengthening mascara with green tea extract. So that's cool. It has a little bit of a dip to it. And I am not good at doing makeup, so bear with me. It also came with this Straight Out of Patience, which is a smudge-proof lip liner. And then it came with this palette. It's a Minute Finish face palette. It's CoverGirl for the face, blush for the smize, highlight for the pose, and contour for the twirl. That's what it says on the back of there. And then also this brush to use with this. And then I'm super excited because I finally got Boss Lady. I have a ton of lippies and lipsticks and liquid mattes and glosses and all that from the Lip Bar. So I'm excited to try Boss Lady. Usually my go-to is Crown Me, but today we'll be trying Boss Lady. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put my hair out of my face. First things first. And then, all right, we're gonna try this Bawse Face. So it says, I think if I'm not mistaken, it's 2 to 3 pumps. So we'll start with 2. Is the makeup on the brush, and I'm just going to dot different places of my face. All right, it's nice full coverage. I am gonna put some chapstick on, or gloss. This is not a Lip Bar gloss, obviously, but my lips are super dry, so I'm just making sure it's all blended in really well. I think it looks really good on my skin. It's a great color for me. So that's that. All right, so now let's try all the stuff that I'm not used to doing. I'm going to use this side of the brush. I don't know if that's proper because I'm gonna use this one to kind of do one of those. So I'm using this side of the brush, and I am starting out with this one here, which is for face. It is a powder. I hope I am doing this correctly. I don't even know. But I like that powder because I felt like the foundation was making me a little dewy or glowy. So this is good. This brought down some of that. It made me a little bit more matte, which I prefer. So that's that. Then we're gonna go with the contour. And I am really bad at remembering how to do contour. But if I'm not mistaken, contour is like here. I'm just gonna blend that in. Yeah, it's a little dark, but first time out the gate, you know, we're learning. We're learning how this works. I'll go here. I am clearly not a makeup person. I'm gonna come down here to kind of come down, create some separation. I don't know if I did that correctly. I'm gonna come back over with my powder to just of the powder side to just kind of blend that in. And then I think it's like up here, right? don't think it looks bad. It works for me. And then next is highlight and blush. So we'll go with highlight first. And I think highlight is like right there. I don't know. I literally get my makeup done when I do this, so I'm trying to try something else. Bring that in a little bit. It looks pretty. I think that's right. I'm trying to remember what I see people do. Cheek or chin, excuse me. Blend it in. And I have funky under eye. I'm gonna add some under my eye. It's probably not normal, but I'm going to do that. So that is my face. I think it works. Yeah, I think it works. And then you top it off with the blush. Does that look right? Do I look normal or clown-like? I don't know. You guys can tell me if I did this correctly. But that is that for that part of the fast face. Eyebrow. So this side is to like fill your eyebrows, and this side is to blend. So let's go for it. I have a lot of eyebrows, as you can see, so I don't know how much I need. But I'm just gonna go in and just kind of make them darker, I guess. I want to blame the fact that my eyebrows are this bushy and gross because of quarantine. It's not fact. I do a terrible job of keeping up my eyebrows. I just do. So that is that. Now we're gonna go with this one. Am I doing this right, peoples? Leave me a note and let me know. Tell me what I should be doing. That's that. We're gonna go with it. And then last, or not, there's two more things actually. If you made it this far or if you fast forwarded a little bit, thanks for rocking with me as I get back into creating videos. I might do another makeup like get ready with me as I get more used to using fast face and know what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna go with it. It looks a little choppy, but hey, it works. So it's super thick, which is great because I do think eyeliner brings a little pop to my eyes. So that is the eyeliner. That highlighted a little bright right there, but so there's that. It does not include an eyeshadow, so there is no eyeshadow. And then we're going to put on the mascara. All right. And last but not least, lip. Gotta have a lip from the lip bar. That's how they got started. And this is Boss Lady. So there is my fast face from the lip bar. Thanks for tuning in.